than ever before. Born by necessity, raised in fear and harm. Now I am a bird. Now I am flying towards someone else's goal. The unknown enemy is amongst my own men. He commands me, command my soul. Now I am a typhoon or a broken hole. The politics of my shape, it's a lingo, a lingo. Only a retard would speak of hate. I know, do have friends, do have friends. Now I am an El Martin with the dark ascent. Am I a bird or a whore? Do I have wings? Do I just want more? Am I a bird or a whore? Do I have wings? Or do I just want more?